Hi, boys and girls. It's Miss Fran from Classroom D, and today I want to talk about Dr. Seuss. This is one of the books that Dr. Seuss wrote. The Cat in the Hat Comes Back. He has also written The Cat in the Hat, Green Eggs and Ham, Hop on Pop, lots of really fun, silly books for us to read. And so what I want to do today is make the cat's hat. Since it is Read Across America Week, I love to read Dr. Seuss during this week to just share all of his wonderful books that he writes. And I always love to make his hat during this time of year, especially because it's almost his birthday, and that's how we celebrate Dr. Seuss, by reading all his books the week of his birthday. So today we are going to make his hat. And if you notice here in the picture, the cat has two colors: red, white, red, white, red. And so if you know what that's called, it's called a pattern. Some of us would maybe start with the color white here at the top of his hat here, where on his head, and then red, white, red, white, red. So here I have a picture of the cat's hat, and you can ask mom or dad or maybe one of your brothers and sisters to draw this hat. It's pretty simple. I have it outlined here. We're going to show you how I did it. I just went here, kind of made like a rainbow, made a line at the bottom, and then I made like a bigger rainbow on top of it. Okay, and then you just make some lines across. I made 1, 2, 3. So when we color this in, we'll be coloring just a few of the lines. So if we want to make the same kind of hat like the Cat in the Hat is wearing, the bottom here, where this would sit on his head, would be white. So we're not going to color that part. So the next color we would color is red. So you can use either a crayon or a marker, and we're going to use the color red. I like to use crayon, but you could choose whatever you want, whatever you have. And we're going to start by coloring this part of his hat. And I'm going to do it quickly so that you can see what we're going to do here. I'm not going to spend a lot of time on it. You can spend much more time on it because it's your hat and you don't have to rush when you're making this. I'm just showing you how to start. So it'll be white, red. I'm going to skip and keep this white so we don't have to color it. The next one is going to be red. So do the same thing. I'm going to try to be neat and color this. It's also kind of hard when you're holding your hand up here because your hand starts to fall asleep a little bit and it gets a little funny, but this is what we're going to do, right? So it looks like the cat's hat. Okay, color this part in so you can see. So when you're all done, you will see that you have a pattern. White, red, white, red, white. You can make as many lines as you want. You can see behind me over here on the wall, we made this one in class, and we have a lot of stripes. We have 1, 2, 3, we have 4 stripes. So we have 4 red lines, 4 red stripes, and 4 white stripes. So you can make as many stripes as you want. You can have a lot of fun with it. And it's a way to celebrate Dr. Seuss and his wonderful, wonderful books that we read every year and throughout the year. So I hope you had fun, and I hope you do this at home, and we'll see you soon. Bye.